Most times I'm the most strong. I'm the rock, the spot you get support from. I mostly cope with hopes that's been rolled on. And when you're low, you know that you could hold on. Me in a heartbeat, I can be there. The fears and tears you cry, I'm by your side. So dry your eyes and let me provide peace of mind. In time, I know you'll be fine. And if it's heartbreak, I can take some off your plate. Replace the lies and hate with smiles and faith. You fall deep, I can fall with you. And dark is a familiar place. You're lost, I can help you escape. It was my fate, so I can relate. Now when you can't even stand, I can handle the weight. I'll be your shoulder for as long as I can. But was a shoulder for my shoulder when I can't.
I'll be the one you can count on the most. And when the road is dark, I'll bear the load. Never see the day fall to my knees, yeah. None of you will know the signs of me.
Yo,
Shoulder to
and
me.
sometimes it's really hard to be this invincible figure you figure me to be. Cause I can feel the pain, and when I'm cut I bleed. It's mostly inside, but Lord knows I cry, I don't lie, I just keep it bottled inside. I meet your eyes with a smile and you think I'm a lying, but I'm alive. Cause I can feel like you can feel with emotion still. Though it don't show, it's real. Conceal when my heart cries, I fall apart in the dark at the spot where my thoughts lie. I thought I was strong as they come, I thought I was numb. My thoughts and my heart overrun as I wonder, can I make it through? And is the one coming soon that's gonna hold me consumed? Or was it something meant to be? And a shoulder for a shoulder wasn't meant for me, I guess.
The one you can count on. Oh no. And when the road is dark, I'll bear the load.
I will bear the load.
Never see the day fall to my knees, yeah. None of you will know the sometimes I need. Sometimes shoulder to shoulder.
Yeah, I need the shoulder to lean. Yeah, I'll be your shoulder to lean, but where's a shoulder